Hello, welcome to Sunday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is to take your embodiment, your understanding of Tàijíquán through your own career of practice, obviously representing your style, your lineage, your history, maybe the few styles that you've studied, and practice, maybe not study, maybe not redevote yourself or change schools, but practice following another style. So maybe a friend does a different style, or maybe just a different lineage but the same style, maybe even the same lineage, same style, but just a different school. But ideally, fairly different than you. Maybe on YouTube, you just follow along. And the idea is to follow along, making sense with your principles, not really learning, not really studying, but just following along and seeing if you can note or maybe even feel the differences in emphasis, in movement, in practices and concepts. So I do this with the sound off if I do it on YouTube. I don't want to hear the lessons, not because I don't value them, but because this practice is what it is. And that's me kind of doing my principles, but paying attention to their movements and then seeing if I can weigh and consider them afterwards. Maybe I learn something, maybe it drives me to study something and ask a few pertinent questions. Maybe it informs my own practice. And largely I do it because I feel like it helps to knit the community together in some small way, so I don't silo and isolate myself quite so much, which is something that befalls so many artistic communities. So do your part to reach out, ask a friend to lead you through a bit of practice and see what you learn. Thank you. This QR code takes you to our link tree, which has all of our links, among them financial support links, which is certainly going to be very helpful. We appreciate your commenting, subscribing, linking, and going to Patreon.